I'm adding the finishing touches. Brad is coming soon.
Vanessa!
Hi, Brad.
Hi, great.
Well, I'm finishing up on just a few things, so give me a second. I think I'm ready. Today's topic is lighting. It's no longer just a light for lighting, for the sake of lighting. It's lighting that's an accent piece as part of the decor. It's part of the design of the home.
Lighting has come a long way in the fact that it's both functional as well as decorative.
Let's take a look at the formal dining room. Take a look at this light here. It is not here just as an accent piece, which I feel that is an amazing accent piece, but there's a reason why I chose this light. Originally, there was a light that was right here. Very dark and dim and super outdated. Now, that came from the builder. And the light was actually right here. If we were to bring in a dining table, we would try to center it with the light right here.
Yep.
And we would be stuck as to where we can put it. And the dining table would be too close to the door that goes out to the patio. So I chose this linear light because of a special reason. Being that the junction box was right here, I needed to find a linear light so I can have a dining table spread out in this space.
That makes sense.
Yes.
I love it. It's a great idea.
Let's talk about the Kelvin of lights.
Sure.
It gets a little bit technical, but today's topic is all about lights.
I'm up for the challenge. So Kelvin just relates to the temperature of the light. Lower temperature rating or a lower Kelvin of about 2700, which is extremely common for household light shades, you get a very soft or a yellowish light. I believe the term or the style of light is called warm to soft light within the hardware store. Then as we increase the Kelvin or the temperature of the light itself, we get towards a more bright white and then into a daylight. Daylight is the brightest, so all the way up at 6,000 to 6,500 Kelvin, but we don't necessarily want to do that because bright white or daylight also starts picking up a blue hue to it. So we really want to be in between 2,700 and 65. So somewhere around 3,500 to 4,000 Kelvin rating gives us a really nice, well-balanced white light.
Can't wait to show you upstairs. Okay, look at the light in here.
Wow.
What do you think?
Looks very modern for sure.
You see, we chose the Capiz light just to make it a little bit more fun.
It is fun. I can tell why you chose it. Plus, with it being white as well, it blends in, but at the same time, you can tell it's definitely there. Fun accent light.
This room just looks so fun.
Absolutely. Great job in the design. I really love how it came out.
And let's go to the next bedroom. Check this out.
All right. Ooh, I like how you put the double beds in.
Yeah, absolutely. I knew 2 beds would fit in here. And you know what? They had a ceiling fan light in here. And that light is actually a nice modern farmhouse. So let's go up to the very next level.
This is a fun loft area.
So originally they had a twin mattress here. It was just an area for the children to play. And we made the area feel more spacious.
I definitely get that feeling, especially because we have high vaulted ceilings here as well as the stairways open to the upstairs level. And we have lots of windows.
And the master bedroom. Wow, what a transformation in here.
Absolutely, I love it.
And it's clean and modern with this light fixture. Take a look at this LED.
Definitely. Yeah, I love that. I love that over the bed. What was there before?
It was a ceiling fan. So this room before had a king size bed. It had more stuff in here than I could describe. So now we are actually showing the function that it should be shown as.
Another great feature of this house too is the bedroom is so large that we wanted to show off that there is also room for a home office.
And now we get into a much more spacious master bathroom.
Yeah. These do not look like the original.
Not at all.
Did you switch these out too?
We sure did.
I like it.
Check out the lights in here.
Oh wow, ooh, very cool.
You know, we don't have to go traditional, and this home is anything but traditional. Look at that fun light.
Oh, nice. Oh, I like how you had one single light.
And it doesn't have to go across the wall like what we would normally see.
Yeah.
This one points down.
Very neat. And obviously for half bath, very compact. All right, so now let's go downstairs. So downstairs, and we have the carpets changed out on the stairs. And then this area is utility area because it goes into the garage. So we've got the laundry room and we also have a utility closet down here because coming in from the garage, floor plan wise, it's great to have this utility area to put groceries away. So on the main level, we have a really nice engineered hardwood floor. So we didn't want to rip that out or put in a different style or type of flooring. So what we did is we had the contractor come in and he restained it, refinished it, and added new varnish on top. So we were able to bring the life back. And now it's a very rich color and is a great accent. We kept the paint white because we wanted to be really neutral. And why else is that important?
Neutral also lets buyers imagine the space for themselves. We don't want to turn off anyone with a particular color. It also evokes a very modern and clean feel. Here's the living room.
Wow, that looks nothing like it was before. Big, huge sectional couch that took up everything and blocked the fireplace.
Yes, they were actually moving out, so then this was a great blank slate for us to work with.
But I love what you did with it. So now this area is kind of like a little nook when you come in, a little mud area with the focus towards the fireplace. And if someone wanted to do a more modern style, then they could put a TV above the fireplace. And I think it came out great. What do you guys think?
Let us know in the comments down below. We would love to hear from you. I know there are tons of viewers out there who have been too shy to subscribe, so let's encourage them to give us a thumbs up.
Please do.
All right, thank you.
Bye.
Darkness, just, what's another word for it?
Darkness.
I've come
Hello,
to
darkness,
miss my old friend. You took that you took everything right out of my mouth.
You gotta get that frog out of
Yeah,
your
I got it. Today's topic is lighting, because it's always been a dark topic for a lot of people.
until we get the light.
Yeah.
And get the lighting up so that we, damn it, I have the right saying. Okay, so